Libra, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the June 2020, and yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, and yeah, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So Libra, let's start your reading. This is for the Libra for the month of June 2020. So yeah, let's see what is coming for the Libras for this. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Okay, for the month of June 2020. Okay, let's shuffle a little bit more. This is for the Libras. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you guys. Six of Cups. So this is your overall energy. This is, some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, and they are missing you. They are missing those good times with you. Wow, I'm feeling that they are not letting you go. They are holding uh, on you very tightly. Yeah, they just don't want to let you go, Libra. With the Two of Cups. Wow, so they have so much love for you. They have so much love for you. I'm feeling that they are fantasizing about you. Okay, this is a Seven of Cups. Definitely they are daydreaming about you, they are imagining about you, they are fantasizing about you. I'm feeling that they are seeing a very beautiful loving future with you, and they are imagining a very happy home life with you. And now the love is becoming a possession for them. They are very possessive for you, they are very passionate for you, very possessive. Five of Wands, Hanged Man, Three of Wands, Ace of Wands, definitely very passionate about you. Strength, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so Libra, this is you. You want to be balanced, you want to make things balanced, you want to have balance in your life, definitely. And yeah, with the Strength card, some of you are dealing with Leo, Pisces, Capricorn. Yeah, okay. So Libra, they have so much love for you, there is no doubt. They have really very deep emotions for you, and they are missing the good times with you. They are missing you, yeah, very intensely. I hope that I hope not, I can say that you're also feeling their energy surrounding you, because they are not they are not with you right now, but you can feel them, and you're also thinking something about them. Yeah, it must be definitely the good times, but you want to be in the present moment. You want to enjoy your present. Yeah, you want to be happy at the present moment, but the love is very intense, and now they are very possessive about you, because they are daydreaming about you continuously. But why is this situation is hold, like, this is putting on hold, like, by the universe. The situation is putting on the hold by the universe, because of something between you and them. I'm feeling that both of you have something to clear up from your life, from your habits, from your nature. And like, if you have any kind of dramatic things, or like the lower vibration energies, you have to heal from them, from those things. And after that, this Hanged Man thing will be ended, and they will come for you, definitely. Because with this Hangman, this is a pause between you and them, and for this union, this pause has to stop. Okay, but definitely very beautiful connection with this Queen of Pentacles, and with the Ace of Wands. Strength, they are very strong as well, and you are very stable, very nurturing, very kind, very loving energy. And they can see the very beautiful passion and new beginning with you. And this is their offer. Actually, they're building up their courage, Libra, to come towards you, to offer you this beautiful Ace of Wands, and to offer you their new stable life with you. Wow, so they want to come towards you, but things are stuck between you and them because of something. Wow, so this fell down. Lover's card. Very strong soulmate connection. Very strong soul. Let's see if it is coming again in your reading. What is the Six of Cups? Definitely they are missing you. Wow. They are missing you. Ten of Swords. Six of Wands. High Priestess. Yeah, so I'm feeling that there is something you have to end between you and them. And Six of Wands is your success. High Priestess energy, you know that you will get your success after ending that situation, that specific situation of your life. When you will end this, boom, success, prosperity, and you're using your intuition for getting that success of your in your life, and you are utilizing that thing. So yeah, Libra, I was telling you that you know intuitively, your intuition is keep telling you that you have to end something which is not good for your higher benefit, definitely which is not good for yourself. And after ending that, you will get your success and you will be with your soulmate who has so much love for you, who is continuously dreaming about you. And now the love they are feeling for you is becoming a possession for them. Okay, so definitely very deep love connection. What is this temptation doing here for the Libra? Whoa, so this jumped out. Fool. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Fool. Wow, Four of Wands and the Three of Swords. Okay, okay, I was telling clarifying the temptation and these three cards, but you know what, these three cards are like upward and the Three of Swords was in the reverse, but I am not doing reversal. So but this is the thing I'm telling you, this is Wheel of Fortune. Wheel is turning in your favor and you will definitely have your new beginning very soon. And this is a very beautiful pure twin flame connection with the Four of Wands and with the Two of Cups. Definitely there is no doubt that love is very strong here, very strong love connection. Wow. And I'm feeling that the person is feeling sad because they just want to be with you right now. They want to jump in with you with this Fool card, and they are praying from the universe that when the wheel it will be turned in their favor, and they will come forward to you because they want to have this passionate connection with you as soon as possible, as soon as possible. That's why they are feeling very sad, because you are in your power, you are in your loving Queen of Pentacles energy, and they want that from you. Wow. Why is this Hangman here? What is this Hangman doing here for the Libras? Wow, Ace of Cups, Four of Swords, Patience. This is the Temperance, which is Sagittarius. See what is bottom of the deck, Ten of Cups. So definitely this is on pause because they want to express it to you, but then divine timing. Yeah, definitely whatever they want to ask or they want to tell to you, but that will be on the right time, on the divine timing, and they are waiting for the divine timing. Wow. Like they want to move things fast with you, but then they have to stop whenever will the divine timing, because this is also Wheel of Fortune, the divine timing, and this is also divine timing with the Sagittarius. So definitely I'm feeling that this is right now planning universe is planning of the universe for both of you, because both of you are now growing and in spiritual things and also in your physical things. Wow. Wow. What is this Ace of Wands about for the Libra? New passionate offer. Magician. Okay. Eight of Wands. Two of Wands they are telling me to. Okay, Eight of Swords. Definitely they are feeling stuck. They are feeling very abandoned. They are feeling very bound because they want to be with you and they're not with you. That's why they're feeling stuck, and this stuckness is giving them stress, anxiety, but they have a plan for you. They want to give this Ace of Wands to you. Like definitely this is passion, this is love, this is creation, and they want to manifest you back in their life uh, they want to manifest you in their life, and they are manifesting this communication with you because they want to move forward with you. This is two of wands, the two people, two things, two of cups. So definitely very beautiful, strong connection you have with this person, and no doubt they wanna jump with you within this situation, but then the divine timing. Yeah, beautiful card for you, Libra. I'm feeling very happy for you, and they're building up their courage to come forward because they are continuously fantasizing about you, they are dreaming about you, and yeah, universe is also making situation happen for both of you. Beautiful reading for you guys. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah, Libra, bye.